Neil deGrasse Tyson recently made headlines by sharing rare, declassified photos from Venus, taken by the Soviet Union decades ago. These images provide a glimpse of the alien landscape of Venus, a world often overshadowed by Mars and our moon in popular space exploration. Known for his talent in making complex scientific topics accessible, Tyson has sparked widespread curiosity by highlighting these long-forgotten images from our neighboring planet. His focus on Venus is not only exciting for space enthusiasts, but also brings attention to the unique challenges and mysteries that surround Earth's sister planet. Venus is one of the most intriguing planets in our solar system due to its striking similarities to Earth in size and composition. However, the environment on Venus is drastically different and far more extreme than on Earth. With surface temperatures that can reach 900 degrees Fahrenheit, Venus is even hotter than Mercury, the closest planet to the Sun. Its atmosphere is thick with carbon dioxide, which traps heat in a runaway greenhouse effect, and clouds of sulfuric acid swirl above its surface, obscuring any view from orbit. These conditions make it one of the most hostile environments in our solar system, a true hellish landscape. In the 1970s and 1980s, the Soviet Union was at the forefront of Venus exploration through its Venera program. This ambitious series of missions aimed to land on Venus and transmit data back to Earth, a goal that presented extreme technical challenges. The high temperatures and crushing atmospheric pressure on Venus's surface made it difficult for any spacecraft to survive for long. Despite these difficulties, the Soviets managed to land several probes on Venus, and they sent back some of the first and only images ever taken from the planet's surface. These images revealed a barren, rocky landscape, with a sky dimly illuminated by the sun through thick clouds. The photos that Tyson shared come from this era of Soviet space exploration. The Venera probes captured grainy but groundbreaking images that show the rocky terrain and strange, desolate beauty of Venus. Seeing these photos now, in an era dominated by high-definition images from Mars and other parts of the solar system, can feel like a journey back in time. But it's also a reminder of the incredible achievements of Soviet scientists who, with limited technology compared to today's standards, managed to reach and photograph a world as inhospitable as Venus. Venus has not been a popular target for exploration in recent years. Mars, with its potential for past microbial life and more manageable conditions, has garnered most of the attention from NASA and other space agencies. However, the fascination with Venus has not completely faded. In fact, scientists have recently renewed their interest in the planet, partly because of unexplained phenomena observed in its atmosphere. One of these mysteries is the presence of phosphine, a chemical that on Earth is associated with biological processes. The discovery of phosphine in Venus's atmosphere in 2020 sparked speculation that microbial life might exist in the upper layers of its clouds, where temperatures are less extreme than on the surface. Although this hypothesis is still debated, it has rekindled interest in studying Venus and exploring its potential for harboring life. The renewed focus on Venus has led to plans for new missions from NASA and other space agencies. NASA's Veritas and Da Vinci missions, scheduled for the 2030s, aim to study the surface and atmosphere of Venus in unprecedented detail. Veritas will map the planet's surface to understand its geological history, while Da Vinci will analyze the composition of its atmosphere, potentially offering insights into how Venus diverged so drastically from Earth. The European Space Agency also plans to send its own mission, Envision, to study Venus's atmosphere and surface. Together, these missions represent a new era of Venus exploration, one that could shed light on the conditions that made Venus so inhospitable and reveal whether similar processes could affect Earth. Tyson's decision to highlight the Soviet photos reminds us that Venus has always been a planet of mysteries and extremes, as well as an example of how quickly conditions on a planet can become uninhabitable. By sharing these declassified images, he has tapped into a sense of wonder and curiosity about our solar system that remains strong even in the face of technological advances. Tyson's emphasis on the scientific achievements of the past also underscores the importance of remembering and learning from earlier space exploration efforts, which laid the foundation for what we can do today. The photos Tyson showcased are not only scientifically valuable but also culturally significant. During the Cold War, space exploration was as much a political and ideological battleground as a scientific endeavor. The Soviet Union's achievements in exploring Venus were a source of national pride, demonstrating the strength of their technological prowess. Today, however, we can view these photos as a reminder of humanity's shared curiosity and ambition, transcending political divisions. In a way, they symbolize a shared quest for knowledge, a search for answers about the universe that unites us rather than divides us. Venus's extreme environment also provides scientists with a valuable laboratory for studying climate change. The runaway greenhouse effect that turned Venus into an inferno could offer insights into the long-term consequences of increased carbon dioxide levels on Earth. By understanding the processes that led to Venus's harsh climate, scientists hope to gain insights that might help mitigate or prevent similar changes on our own planet. Venus, in this way, serves as a cautionary tale, illustrating the importance of understanding and controlling greenhouse gases. While the Venera photos may seem rudimentary compared to the images we receive from Mars rovers, they hold a unique place in the history of planetary exploration. For scientists, these images are a rare glimpse into a place few spacecraft have visited and even fewer have survived to document. For the public, they are a chance to see a world that is both eerily familiar and alien. The rocky surface and distant horizon resemble Earth in some ways. Yet the knowledge of Venus's intense heat and atmospheric pressure gives these images an unsettling, otherworldly quality. Tyson's recent presentation of these declassified images has brought Venus back into the spotlight, inspiring new interest in exploring the planet and understanding its secrets. His influence as a popular science communicator has helped rekindle curiosity about Venus among people who might otherwise never have thought about this mysterious world. By highlighting these Soviet-era photos, he has shown that even decades-old images can capture the imagination and inspire questions about our place in the universe. As space agencies plan new missions to Venus, these old photos remind us of the enduring fascination with our neighboring planets and the potential for discovery that awaits. They highlight the value of collaboration in space exploration and the importance of building on past achievements. In a time when technological advances allow us to dream of visiting distant stars and planets, these images remind us of the challenges and rewards of exploring our own solar system. Tyson's revelation of these declassified Venus photos serves as a tribute to the pioneering spirit of the Soviet scientists who dared to reach a planet so hostile that survival seemed impossible. It also serves as an invitation to look forward to the discoveries that future missions to Venus might bring. Perhaps, as we learn more about this enigmatic planet, we may gain insights into the broader story of our solar system, the forces that shaped it, and the conditions necessary for life. Tyson's emphasis on these images is a reminder of the power of curiosity and the importance of exploring even the most inhospitable corners of our cosmic neighborhood. These photos, though simple by today's standards, are more than just images. They are a testament to human ingenuity, determination, and the desire to understand the universe. Tyson's revelation has brought them back into public view, giving people a chance to marvel at the harsh beauty of Venus and to reflect on the remarkable journey of space exploration. As we continue to probe the mysteries of the universe, these images from Venus remind us of the resilience and curiosity that drive humanity to reach beyond our home planet, seeking knowledge in the most unlikely places.